1957 Noleka. I love this one. Check out your neighbors across from your house. There are none. Check out when you walk down your road, you get to go to the water. That's the water right there, my friends. There's a closet as soon as you enter. Bedroom number 1. I like that it has real doors for the closet. I hate the folding ones. Bathroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. And what? Oh, another closet. Okay. This must be to the garage. Yep. Ta-da! There's the garage. So this is a new house, so all this stuff is good to go. Love the size of that hot water heater. And it even has this to get it to the back bathroom quickly. Hot water is important. Okay. So from the garage, you walk straight to the laundry room, which is efficient because you're always salty and sandy in this area. And then here is your HVAC. Right here, it's great condition. My kids want something like this. I should probably get it for them one day. They want something like all of this. Oh my gosh! They got the Dungeons and Dragons stuff. Now this is a good size kitchen. Good size pantry. Samsung fridge. I like that it has the little bar area here. It's a very nice size. I am actually I need to buy that for the kids too. Oh, they are Harry Potter friends. I am saving my favorite part for last. So we are in the master bathroom. They have the toilet seat like Japan. Okay, my favorite part of this house is right here. The neighbors are campers. There's a campground right back here, which is neat. For touring.